See, if we look today, millions of Indians have a IT corporate dream. When I say that, it all means that kickstart a career and there is no looking back. If you really look at how it's been working out in the market, say take a BTech guy who has just passed out. What is the X factor that determines his career is competition. He has competition from his own batch, from other disciplines, from other courses, people coming from other places and other year of passing as well. So this X is becoming literally 5X by the time he hits the market. If you really look further what happens from there, imagine C percentage of students are getting only non-IT jobs. B, they end up doing a course or another. Only A end up with a nice IT jobs. Further from there, if you see the time travel, some X still remains doing some course or other, pursuing and hoping for an IT job sometime down the lane at least. Y decides it's not going to be my cup of tea. Any job that comes on my way, let me pick that. Z, they decide and declare themselves they are not going to be employed any longer. If you really look at this, why it's happening, there can be possibly 5-6 reasons. One, people pick up courses which are not suited for them. Second, the courses what they pursue don't have a market opportunity. 3, their unemploymentability itself is an issue. 4, people are feared of programming. 5, their incompetencies or can be any or other reasons possibly. How to zero it down is what the question industry is talking about today. Possibly for us, it's a short but a very quick answer can be Super 100. It's a program to find the programmer in you. If you ask me what Super 100 is all about. We have joined hands with IIIT Kurnool and Computer Society of India and launched this 10-day program which helps you to learn a no-code technology and get your hands onto it. There is a recruitment drive and internship attached to it. What is expected out of this Super 100? 1. By end of this course, you can develop any application or software. That's 100% guaranteed. And 2, everything codeless. 3, the best 100 will be hired into the system. Next 100 will be given internships, and all the successful passouts will be certified as zero code programmers. Why somebody has to do a course like Super 100? 1, they are getting to know one of the most happening technology space, no code. Second, it's a bless for anyone who wants to start a software career, irrespective of their tech background, their computer skills, their percentages, year of passing, their communication skills, whatnot, anything. There are absolutely no tabs, no bars, no restrictions. Who can pursue it and how can they crack it? And most interesting aspect of this is you get to know how to build an app. It even gives you a hands on like how a full stack development goes on, and also increases the chances of getting employed. All the above, one gets to know how a software development cycle goes on. Further, somebody after doing this, if they don't crack it, they still can pursue further with zero code professional certification, and they can even pursue higher opportunities with zero code. See, basically zero code is all about no coding. There won't be any coding at any point. Basically zero code is all about developing applications, may it be a web, mobile or enterprise grade, absolutely without coding. Zero as in zero coding. So in this 10 days course, there will be a workshop, how and what is expected out of the course will be detailed in the workshop. Followed by that, there will be a learning sessions. There will be up to 5 hours of learning. Then it is followed with a practice session. Then you have 3 levels. First level is called a play level, where you get to know and get familiar with the tools and things in the zero code. Second level is digitizing your neighborhood. That's when you get to build your own apps. And third level, cloning the portals. Or for example, you want to build something like a Amazon or something like a Netflix. All this will be done. This is entirely stretched over a period of 10 days across 30 hours. It's going to start from May 29 till June 8th. However, the registrations are open and they are running. It will be costing 4,980 rupees inclusive of all taxes. It's a 100% online course. All you need is a proper laptop, internet connection and power supply. the entire course would be done on a browser. So you don't need to install anything for that matter. If you look at the present scenario, there are two issues at hand. One, dearth of quality manpower on one side. Another side, every other day you need to learn new technology. So how is it possible? We at Zero Code believe Zero Code can be a possible solution for that. One, currently we live with two issues at hand. One, dearth of quality manpower. Two, change of technologies every other day. We at Zero Code believe coding or programming for anyone, programming anything. So when I say programming anything, we wish to bring every possible technology onto Zero Code platform. So at the end, people don't need to learn a new technology, rather they learn only Zero Code. Absolutely no coding whatsoever the technology would love to learn. Zero Code runs through different levels of certification. To kickstart, they will be doing a Zero Code certification program. Then going further, they will become Zero Code certified professional. From there, they become Zero Code certified expert. So each of the level will have its own terms of learning and doing things as well. By the time you hit the expert level, you will be doing a platform like Zero Code on your own. Zero Code caters to the need of people at different levels of career. Someone can be there in mid-career crisis, and somebody can be just there starting their careers, and somebody might be very up in the ladder. It caters to every possible requirement when you are there in the career. Imagine, as you keep going up in your career, it's not tough for you to stay abreast with the technology, as technology changes at the speed of nodes. So how can you expect someone's learning curve to be so steep in line with the technology? So Zero Code is something which helps you on that as well, because at the end it's all drag, drop and Zero Code. Typically when you are starting as a fresher, you understand what software development is all about, and you focus more on business sense when you are doing your work, rather than you are trying to understand the syntax. You are trying to bring more value in terms of business intelligence.